y'all, it's Quincy MedicineDog here. I'm back from my first flying adventure. Mr. Dan and I flew to Chicago. Oh, jeez, I was afraid to fly. All the things that I was fearful of never happened. I didn't feel safe with all the commotion of people getting on the plane. A little dog was held captive in a crate, barking at me in a language I just didn't understand. Another foo-foo dog staring at me that had a pink bow on each ear. The plane started shaking. I didn't know what was happening. I began panting. I felt so unsafe. Mr. Dan knew I was scared, just like my first elevator ride. His hand reached down to touch me. That reminded me to take a deep breath, giving me time to understand what I was feeling. So I lay down and hid under a coat. I then knew everything was going to be okay. My next adventure was to visit a Chicago inner city elementary school, new city, new kids and adults. Jeez, was I nervous. But I want to give a big shout out to all the students and staff at John Smith Elementary School, and a big old bark out to Miss Megan, the school's social worker, who I now have a crush on. We worked together, keeping each other feeling safe. The students that were afraid of dogs used their coping skills, taught by Mr. Dan and Miss Megan, to trust in me, pet me, and give me treats. Another group of students learned patience working together. Hey, my tail was a wagon. I got lots of rewards. Everyone was smiling. We all had fun and shared warm feelings. I then knew I was on my way to becoming a four-legged social influencer and make everybody's life happier and easier. Hey, I gotta go, but remember, sometimes when you don't feel safe or you get afraid of things, take a deep breath and ask for help from an adult that you trust. So please push the like button to get and subscribe to my channel because I get more treats. And you get my simple four-legged wisdom to live a happier, easier life. And that is a win for all of us. Ciao!